Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Chikon Dotto and today I'll be sharing with you my Amazon top haul, which is a huge haul. And if you guys here for the first time, then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification next to it so that you will never miss any of my updates. You can also follow me on my Facebook page and my Instagram ID. I will provide the details for all my internet handles in my description box below. Please do check that out. Now without further ado, let's jump into the video. Today I'll be sharing with you 13 different tops which can be worn during this summer. This top is from Harpa. The material is 100% polyester. Every top in this haul is of large size and it has ruffle neck, and there is a button at the back, and the back portion is plain black. At front it is not a printed work, it is an embroidery work, and it has regular sleeves and there is no inner at sleeves. Harpa is a very renowned brand and there are two different colors to choose from, and I choose this black color and it goes pretty well with this denim jeans. This tops looks very classy with the combination of solid color and the elegant design. This top is perfect for any office wear or any casual wear. This top is from the brand Stylevile and the material is 100% cotton and it has 3/4 sleeves, round neck. It has a keyhole at the back and this pink checked flare top looks very classy and it's perfect for any day outing with friends or any office party. This top is a perfect combination of comfort and fashion. This top goes pretty well with these denim jeans. It looks very classy, or you can try black jeans and black high heels and you are good to go. And I just love this top. It's so much comfortable. This top is from the brand Mizago and the material is 100% crepe. It has full sleeves and ruffle neck and full moti work at the front, and these motis are not real, it's a plastic one. This top is available in 4 different colors. There are beige, there are blue, there are maroon and yellow, and I choose this blue color. It has a keyhole at the back and it goes perfectly well with this denim, and it goes best with the black jeans. You can try black jeans and black high heels. This top is perfect for any casual outing with friends or any office party. I always prefer dark color in top wear as it always enhances the skin color. Now moving on to the next top. This top is from the brand Juneberry and Juneberry is very famous for its premium quality t-shirt. The material is 100% cotton and it's so much comfortable to wear it, and this top is perfect for this summer. This top has plain black color at the back and at the front this V design looks very classy. It has round neck, regular sleeves, and this top goes perfectly well with these denim jeans or any tights or any shorts. This top is perfect for teenagers or any college wears. This top is mostly of a holiday kind of top or beach wear top. Just wear shorts at the bottom and you are ready to explore the sea. One more thing I just want to add, in their website it shows a regular top, but it's not a regular kind of top, it's a crop top. So if you are okay with crop top, then you can give it a try. It's a solid aqua green color top from the brand Alpha Fashion. It has mandarin collar, full sleeves, and the pattern is tunic shirt. The material is 100% polyester and it's perfect for any office wear or any regular wear. You can tuck in the top or you can wear the top as it is. Here I am pairing this top with this black jeans and black high heels. This top goes pretty well with black palazzo also, and there is a keyhole at the back. The color is very uncommon and I just love this top. This slim fit top is from the brand Miss Olive. The material is 100% polyester and this top has round neck, half sleeves. The sheared sleeves of this top look very attractive and there are 5 different colors to choose from: black, forest green, maroon, navy blue and mustard yellow, and I choose this beautiful maroon color. Somehow the color shows red here, but the actual color is maroon. The design is same at the back and at the front. I am pairing this top with this black jeans and black high heels. This top is perfect for any office party or any night outing or any casual occasion. This is my favorite top in this haul. I just love this top. The color, everything looks very amazing. This top is from Amazon own brand Symbol and the material is 100% polyester. It has long sleeves and the ruffle detailing on sleeves looks very good, and it has V-neck, and this top has button at the front and it can be opened from front, and it is a printed top. The same print is all over the top at the front and at the back, and it is a multicolored top. I am pairing this top with this denim jeans and it goes pretty well with black jeans also. You can try black jeans and black high heels. The material is so soft and it's very much comfortable to wear this top. This top is perfect for any casual outing or any day outing with friends. It's a solid bottle green colored top from the brand Shed Saraj. The material is 100% crepe and it has half sleeves, and the tie knot design on the neck looks very classy. As such, this top has nothing, but for this tie knot design, it looks very different from other tops. Back portion is same bottle green color, and for these flutter sleeves, it is super comfortable to wear. It's a very summer friendly top. I am pairing this top with the black jeans and black high heels, and it goes pretty well with tights and shorts also. This top is perfect for any beach wear or any casual outing with friends. This top is from the brand Clue and it has boat neck and it has full balloon sleeves. And for these unique balloon sleeves, it looks very different from other tops, and it has print all over the front and at the back. Material is 100% crepe, and today I am pairing this maroon colored top with the black jeans and black high heels. This top goes well with denim jeans also, and you can wear shorts to create different look. It's perfect for any night outing with friends or any casual outing. It's a regular fit top, it's not too tight, it's perfect for this season. This top is Amazon own brand Symbol and the color is pink. It's a perfect girly colored top and I just love this color. It has boat neck, 3/4 sleeves. The same color goes at the back. It's perfect for regular college wear or office wear. It has keyhole at the back. It's plain and simple but it looks so classy. Today I am pairing this top with the black jeans and black high heels, and it goes perfectly well with black palazzo also. The material is 100% polyester. It's a loose fit top and this top is perfect for this summer season. It's so much comfortable to wear this top and the color is perfect for this summer. You can tuck in the top to create different looks or you can wear the top as it is. This top is from the brand Elomart and the material is 100% cotton. It has round neck, half sleeve. This long check pattern looks very classy. It's a combination of army green and navy blue color. It's a printed top and these two sleeves are of different color. One is navy blue color and another one is green color, and the back portion is plain army green color. I am pairing this top with the black jeans and black high heels, and here I am tucking the top to create different looks. You can tuck in like this or you can wear as it is, and in both ways the tops looks very smart. This top is a regular fit black and red check top from the brand Oria. The material is 100% cotton and it has long sleeves. The same check pattern goes at the back. Here I am pairing this top with the black jeans and black high heels. It's perfect for regular college wear or office wear. You can roll up the sleeves like this to create casual look. One more color is available on this particular design, that is white and black. You can also try that color. You can create another look by wearing this t-shirt as a strap under any black and white color top. It looks awesome. Moving on to the last top of this haul, it's a regular fit maroon colored top from the brand Kiki. The material is 100% rayon. It has long sleeves and it can roll up to create different look. It has two chest pockets, and for this top looks very different from other top. Here I am pairing this top with the black jeans and black high heels. This top is perfect for regular college wear or office wear. Same solid maroon color goes at the back as well. You can tuck in the top like this, or you can wear the top as it is. The material is so soft and it's very much comfortable to wear it during this summer. I will provide the link of each and every top in this haul in my description box below. Please do check my description box in case if you want to buy this top. And if you have any query about anything, do comment me in my comment section below. I would love to reply each and every question of yours. If you guys want an after wash review, then do comment me in my comment section below. Then I will love to do an after wash review for you. Now that's all for today, and if you guys found this video helpful, then do give it a big fat thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, have a great day, tata.